Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a new WhatsApp update called WhatsApp call sharing link. WhatsApp call link. You can share this call link to get group calls. You can know about this feature. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So by this WhatsApp new update, you can update for the beta version, or for this option will be released for all users. You can see in call option there is a create a call link. So you can create a link and you can select the call type, say voice call or video call. You can send to the friends. Just copy the link, share the link, or you can share the link in WhatsApp. So these are the option to enable the group call. So these are super option because you can have a meeting, you can have a friends meet with this option. Just click it and you can join to the group call, or you can leave it by this clicking the link. So if you are sharing to a group where who are clicking the link will be joined on the call, try this option.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video. So if you want more content about WhatsApp, like, subscribe this channel, and we will meet our next video with valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.